Oh.
Good, the nerve is sliding right now.
Oh.
Go ahead.
No, fuck. Oh no. Last time I played soccer and I went to go kick the ball, this quad was like out of commission.
Right now, I'm just palpating Casey's stomach. I'm palpating down past the abdomen towards the psoas, and I'm feeling for her femoral nerve to look for any places where it might be stuck, causing tightness or weakness. Push down in, there's the lateral side of her psoas. Find my way in between there. And there's the femoral nerve. So I follow the psoas down. And when I come to the outside lateral side of it, where the femoral nerve is, I come just past the femoral nerve and I'm gonna come into her iliacus here. If I palpate through here, it feels like her lateral femoral cutaneous nerve feels like it's stuck on the iliacus a little bit. Feel that, Case? So we're gonna come in and treat it. Good, I find the LFCN.
Oh.
Go ahead.
No, fuck. Oh no.
Good. Good, all of this is softer. You okay, Casey?
Mm-hmm.
If I follow it up though, that same nerve, it feels like it's kind of stuck in here too. There, come up. You still with us?
No. Oh.
You were bending forward before.
Yeah, I feel like how I left yesterday. Because yesterday when we did the right side, I remember when I was doing this, I felt on the right side, we treated the right side. And then as the day went on, at nighttime, when I was bending over, I felt on my left side and I was like, And then,
So now it feels cleared up?
yeah, I feel like stronger again.
What's your prerogative for this?
This?
Or you just know it's stuck?
I just know it's stuck because it's tight when I do lunges. When I do my, my lunges.
So why don't you come up and do one of those for me so we can gauge where we're at here.
Yeah, it's coming up. I feel it
In the right?
in here.
So right now, she's got some adhesion on her femoral nerve here. I'm on the medial side of the rectus femoris. The nerve is here underneath my thumb. I'm going to come just off to the side of it. I'm gonna take my depth down into the tissue, get alongside the nerve, and now I'm gonna take tension. I'm gonna find which way the nerve doesn't want to bow the most. It feels like this. And we're...
Oh, no!
Go ahead.
Oh.
Good, the nerve is sliding right now. Could feel those adhesions breaking up under my thumb, and good. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it wants to bow. You chose this.
I know, because I need it. Last time I played soccer and I went to go kick the ball, this quad was like out of commission. Partido. I had my hamstrings.
Tension, go ahead.
No.
Good.
Oh, that's much easier. I don't even have to second guess that. I only feel it outside.